Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show it to you how to do a clean wiring in DPH5005. So this is the DPH5005. It's a boost back converter, and this is the screen, and then this is the Bluetooth module, and I'm gonna show it to you how to put this diode to protect the um, reverse polarity. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you all the including parts when you buy these to RD official store in AliExpress. Enjoy. So now guys, as you can see, I have the copper thick copper wire here, and I'm gonna measure this one, and the measure on this one is 2.37 millimeter. So this one it's gonna be like inside in here to the socket, and on the other side too. Okay. guys, be careful. Okay, as you can see here, that's the key and that's the LCD. Okay, so you need to put the key and the LCD in the right way. Okay, so I'm gonna do this first, so that this you can see. So I'm gonna do in the key first. I'm gonna put it, so the key wire goes to the key wire, key socket. I'm back, so out of camera, so you can see, guys. I doing the soldering and thick copper wire. So as you can see here, you thinking now how I gonna put the top case here, because it's hard, right? So that's why I put this XT30, so I can remove this like that. So now you can see there's a Bluetooth module here. I put inside, and then that's the trace of the thick copper wire, and then I put the diode to protect the reverse polarity using the battery, as you can see, guys. So here, that's the detail. And then here, that's the detail. So as you can see here, I'm gonna put now the top case. See, it's super tight to put in. And now you thinking now how we're gonna put this here, like in here, because the wire is not gonna connect, right? So I need another wire, so I put here in the middle, so you can see, and then I bend this wire here like that, and then I put here inside like that, and then just wiggle it slow as possible. And then as you can see inside, it's already connected. See, guys, it's already connected. And then remove the wire, and then now put the screw. So now, guys, you can see Gonna put the rubber. My bench power supplies, you can see guys, that one. So I'm gonna put this here, and I'm gonna put that here. Negative to negative, positive to positive. Turn this on. Turn the power supply on too, and then turn this one. So you can see guys, I put here in 0.650 milliamps. So in case of it has a problem on this module, it's not gonna burn because it limits only 600 milliamps. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. By the way, this one is in my different video. You can see that in my videos. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. By the way guys, I need to show you the Bluetooth. That's why I do this, because of the Bluetooth. So here, so you can see here, I have the Bluetooth, and I put here to here. So as you can see guys, this module is a DPH5005. So as you can see, it's set to 40.6 volts at 4 amps. As you can see, I'm gonna turn this on. As you can see here, then you see 40.59 volts. You can use the knob to turn the voltage. See, put here, you can use that too. I want to put that to 12 volts. Oh, there we go. Now it's in 12 volts. Up here to amps, just put here in amps. Put here to 1 amp. As you can see. Now here say it's 1 amp. I can put that maximum of 50 volts. See guys? And then you can see on the graph here, it goes to 50 volts. This app is published by RD Tech. You need to buy the module first so you can get this app to them. Okay guys, bye bye.